Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards for AMD Ryzen processors, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi. Both motherboards are priced at $119 and offer great features, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features an ATX form factor, providing ample space for additional components and better cooling solutions. In contrast, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi is a micro ATX motherboard, making it more compact and suitable for smaller cases. This difference in size can significantly impact your build, especially if you're working with limited space. When it comes to connectivity, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers a reliable wired LAN connection, while the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi includes integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. This makes the MSI motherboard a more convenient choice for users who prefer wireless connections, though some users have reported slower Wi-Fi performance. In terms of features, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS stands out with its Aura Sync RGB lighting control and superior cooling solutions, making it ideal for gamers and PC builders who prioritize aesthetics and performance. On the other hand, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi includes audio boost technology, enhancing sound quality for an immersive experience. Both motherboards offer excellent value, but your choice will depend on which features matter most to you. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi are excellent motherboards for their price range. The ASUS offers more features and better cooling, while the MSI provides a compact solution with integrated wireless connectivity. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.